Okay, next, find the reduction formula for integral tan power nx dx. Okay, so integral tan power nx dx. Okay, now you have to consider this as in equal to integral tan power nx dx. Okay, now here only one function is there, tan power nx, only one function is there. So we will split it in two functions to make it as a product of two functions to apply the integration by parts. So this can be written as integral tan power n minus 2x into tan square x, tan square x dx. So here, why I am splitting as n minus 2 plus 2? Because this tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. Then integral secant square x is tan x. So that means again it will be converted into tan. So that's why I split this as a tan power n minus 2x into tan square x. Okay na? So this is equal to integral tan power n minus 2x. So tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1 into dx. Okay. So this is equal to integral tan power n minus 2x into secant square x dx minus integral tan power n minus 2x dx. Okay. Now this is of the form integral f of x power n. Okay, this is of the form f of x power n into f dash x. Yes or no? F of x power n, I mean here n means n minus 2 here. Okay na? So maybe this is the form of f of x power n into f dash x. So integral f of x power n f dash x is nothing but f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is integral of x power n form. Okay. So this can be written as tan power n minus 2 plus 1 by n minus 2 plus 1 minus, what is this? So in is integral tan power nx dx. Then this is I n minus 2. This is I n minus 2. Fine. Now this is equal to tan power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus n minus 2. Okay na? So integration you have to use plus c here. Okay. So plus c. So in equal to tan power n minus 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2 plus c. So this is the reduction formula for integral tan power nx dx. Now what we have to do? You have to find the last terms. Okay na? You have to find the last terms. If n is even, so what is the last term? If n is even, the last term is I naught. The last term is I naught. So therefore, what is the value of I naught? I naught equal to integral dx, which is equal to x plus c. If n is odd, the last term is I1 is I1. Okay. So therefore I1 equal to integral tan x dx. So which equal to log modulus secant x plus c. Fine. So this is the complete reduction formula for integral tan power nx dx. Okay. Now by using this reduction formula, we will do one problem. Okay. So now we will give one example for reduction formula integral tan power nx dx. Okay na? So find the integral of tan power 6x dx. Okay na? So this is of the form integral tan power nx dx. Okay na? So what is the n value here? So now we will write the reduction formula for tan power nx. So in equal to tan power n minus 1 x tan power n minus 1 x by n minus 1 minus I n minus 2. Okay na? So this is the reduction formula for tan power nx dx. Now here what is n value? Here n equal to 6. Okay. So therefore I6 equal to tan power 5x by 5 minus I6 minus 2 4. Now this is equal to tan power 5x by 5 minus what is I4? Again apply the reduction formula. So tan power 3x by 3 minus I4 minus 2 I2. See here you must use this bracket, otherwise you may confuse this minus. Okay na? So this is equal to tan power 5x by 5 minus tan cube x by 3 plus I2 plus I2. So this is equal to tan power 5x by 5 minus tan cube x by 3 plus I2. Again using the reduction formula, what you will get? I2. So this is tan x by 2 minus 1 minus I 2 minus 2 0. So now this is equal to tan power 5x by 5 minus tan cube x by 3 plus tan x minus what is the value of I naught? I naught is x plus c. Okay na? So x plus some c dash. So this is the value of integral tan power 6x dx. Integral tan power 6x dx. Okay. Okay, so next, so that integral sin power mx cos power nx dx equal to minus sin power mx cos power n plus 1x by m plus n plus m minus 1 by m plus n I m minus 2 comma n, because here two integers are there, m and n. Okay na? So to prove this, you have to split this function in the form of, see here sin power m minus 1x is there. Okay na? So to get m minus 1, what we have to do? This can be written as sin power m minus 1x into sin x, because this problem, if you split, suppose if you split like this, sin power mx cos power n minus 1x into cos x, then also you will get solution, but this expression will be changed another way. Okay, but here what is the answer here? Here answer is in sin power m minus 1x. So you must split this sine power mx. Okay na? So according to the answer, you have to split this integration. Otherwise, you will get another result. Okay na? Remember that. Don't forget. So I will consider this as Imn because two integers are there. Integral sine power mx cos power nx dx. Okay. So in our result, sine power m minus 1x is there. So I will split this sine power mx. This is equal to integral sine power m minus 1x, okay, into sin x into cos power nx dx. Okay na? Now this is equal to integral sine power m minus 1x into cos power nx into sin x dx. Okay na? Now this is our u, this is v, right? So this is equal to, applying the integration by parts, so sine power m minus 1x integral cos power nx into sin x dx minus integral derivative of sine power m minus 1x into integral cos power nx into sin x dx into dx. Okay done? Now this is equal to sine power m minus 1x integral of this one. See, what is the derivative of cos x? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So the integration of this one is minus cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1. Okay na? Because this is of the form integral f of x power n into f dash x. So f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay na? Minus integral, what is the derivative of this one? M minus 1 into sine power m minus 2x. Inside function sin x derivative is cos x, and again integration of this one is minus cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1 dx. Okay, understood? Now this is equal to minus sine power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1. This one is minus into minus plus, okay, m minus 1, okay, by n plus 1 integral. So this one is sine power m minus 2x. Now this is cos x into cos power n plus 1x, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. Okay na? So cos power n plus 2 x dx. Okay. Now so this is equal to minus sine power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1 plus m minus 1 by n plus 1. This one integral sine power m minus 2x. Now this cos power n plus 2x can be written as cos power nx into cos kx. Yes. Now I will convert this cos kx into sine, that is 1 minus sin square x. So this is equal to minus sine power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1 plus m minus 1 by n plus 1 integral sine power m minus 2x into cos power nx. This one 1 minus sin square x into dx. Okay na? So why? Because this is n plus 2. Actually we are going to find I m n. In successive reduction, so you have to decrease the values, integer value. You should not increase. Okay na? Here n plus 2. So you have to decrease this value. So that's why I am splitting this into cos power n x into cos square x. Okay na? Now this is equal to minus sin power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1. This is plus m minus 1 by n plus 1 integral. This is sin power m minus 2x cos power nx dx minus integral. So if you multiply this, what you will get? Sin power m minus 2 plus 2, which is sin power mx. Okay na? Sin power mx into cos power nx dx. Okay, clear? Now this is equal to minus sin power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1 plus m minus 1 by n plus 1 into, what is this? So our IMN is sin power mx cos power nx. So in place of m, m minus 2 is there. In place of n is there. So this can be written as I m minus 2 comma n. Okay na? Clear? Minus, what is this? This is nothing but I m n. Okay. Now simplify this. So this is equal to minus sin power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1 plus m minus 1 by n plus 1 I m minus 2 comma n minus m minus 1 by n plus 1 I m comma n. Actually what we have to calculate? We have to calculate I m n. So already left side I m n is there. Already left side I m n is there. So take this I m n term to left side. So what you will get? 1 plus m minus 1 by n plus 1 into I m n equal to, so minus sin power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1 plus m minus 1 by n plus 1 I m minus 2 comma n. Okay na? Clear? Now what is this value? Okay, this one is n plus 1 plus m minus 1, which is m plus n. Okay na? So this is m plus n by n plus 1 into I m n equal to minus sin power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by n plus 1 plus m minus 1 by n plus 1 I m minus 2 comma n. Okay na? Now so in denominator n plus 1 will be cancelled on both sides. Okay. Now so I m n equal to, take this m plus n to right side, minus sin power m minus 1x cos power n plus 1x by m plus n plus m minus 1 by m plus n I m minus 2 comma n. That's all. Hence we proved. Okay na? Now we will give one example on this reduction. Okay na? Okay, so next we will give one example for this reduction. Okay. So find the integral of sin power 5x cos power 4x dx. Okay, sin power 5x cos power 4x dx. Okay, now, so by using this reduction, what is the value of m and n here? Here m equal to 5, n equal to 4. Okay, na? So by using this formula, here we have to calculate I 5 comma 4 equal to minus, I am using this reduction, sin power m minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4x cos power 4 plus 1, 5x by 9, m plus n, 5 plus 4, 9, plus m minus 1, 4, m plus n, 9, I, m minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3, n is 4. Okay. Now this is equal to minus sin power 4x cos power 5x by 9 plus 4 by 9. Now I 3 comma 4. Now m value 3, n value 4. Okay na? So again applying this minus sin power 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, minus sin square x cos power n plus 1, 5x. Okay, by m plus n, which is 3 plus 4, 7, plus m minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 by 7. Okay, so I m minus 2, that is 3 minus 2, which is 1. Okay, n, which is 4. Clear? Now this is equal to minus sin power 4x cos power 5x by 9. So minus 4 by 63 sin square x cos power 5x plus 8 by 63 I 1 comma 4. Okay now. So I 1 comma 4. So I 1 comma 4 is, what is I 1 comma 4? Integral sin x cos power 4x. Okay now. So this is nothing but integral sin x cos power 4x. So I will calculate this here. I 1 comma 4 equal to integral, what is this? Sin x cos power 4x dx. This is of the form integral f of x power n into f dash x. So the derivative of cos x is minus sin x now. So this is equal to minus cos power 5x by 5. Yes? Clear? So this is equal to minus sin power 4x cos power 5x by 9 minus 4 by 63 sin square x cos power 5x, okay, plus 8 by 63 into minus cos power 5x by 5 plus 3. Okay, now this one is, the final answer is minus sin power 4x cos power 5x by 9 minus 4 by 63 sin square x cos power 5x minus 8 by, so 63 into 5, 315 cos power 5x plus 6. Yes? So this is the solution for integral sin power 5x cos power 4x. Understood? So you have to do a lot of problems. You must practice number of problems, not only in our 2B textbook. If you get problems wherever, you must try to solve them. Then you have a complete idea on integration. This integration is most important in higher studies also. Okay, na? So try to do a lot of problems. Okay, done? So integration is indefinite integration is theory is over. Okay na?